Huh? Not bad, huh? So the way I do this is I put a healthy bead of the adhesive right on the screw hole line. Probably like a 1/4 inch bead, I guess you'd call it. And when I attach this, I'll get like 1 screw in it to get it lined up and press it tight, and the adhesive starts to poke through the holes, which I like because I like to get adhesive under the screw head. So anywhere that sufficient adhesive doesn't pop through the hole, there's ooze out around here, I'll just wipe the screw on that. And so under every screw head there's adhesive. I don't know how important that is, but it's easy enough to do. And so there you go, man. I think it looks great. Looks more like an RV all the time.